But we are heading into severe weather season, and one of the big things we, of course, watch out for are tornadoes. First Alert Meteorologist Bryan Bachman goes into a little more depth about how they form and how they impact us.
Tornadoes are among the most violent and destructive forces in nature. And while tornadoes can occur anywhere in the world, they are most common in the United States. Around 1,200 tornadoes strike the U.S. each year, with South Carolina seeing around 21. North Carolina averages around 28 tornadoes per year, and Georgia sees an average of 26. We see tornadoes here in the southeast mostly from March to May as we move deeper into spring, but tropical systems later in the year can also bring tornadoes with them. They come in all shapes and sizes, from narrow rope-like tornadoes to massive wedge tornadoes that can be more than a mile wide. In fact, the largest tornado in history measured 2.6 miles wide near El Reno, Oklahoma in 2013. Now, tornadoes begin with something called wind shear, and it starts with winds at the surface all blowing at a certain speed. In the upper levels of the atmosphere, winds are blowing at higher speeds. The difference in speed creates a rotating column of air parallel to the ground. When a thunderstorm updraft develops over this column, the rotation is gradually pulled upward and tilted vertically. Now, if that rotation becomes strong enough within a thunderstorm, a portion of the cloud base descends in what is called a wall cloud. From here, the rotation continues to build downward, creating a funnel cloud. It becomes a tornado when it makes contact with the ground. So with all the destructive power we have talked about that tornadoes are capable of, when one is on approach to your area and a warning is issued, getting to shelter as quickly as possible is critical. But where's the safest place to go in your home? Well, you want to avoid any room that has an exterior wall or anything with windows. Interior portions of your home are the best place for you to go. That could be something like an interior closet, an interior bathroom, something that has a bit of a sturdier construction, and ideally one that does not have any windows, or even an interior hallway that at least helps you put as many walls between you and the tornado as possible. But better than all of these options, if your home does have one, a basement will provide you the safest place to go in the event of a tornado. After a tornado hits, the National Weather Service surveys the damage path to estimate the tornado's wind speed and assign it a rating on the enhanced Fujita scale. Even at the bottom, an EF0 tornado is capable of producing 65 to 85 mile-per-hour winds and shouldn't be taken lightly. They are capable of minor tree damage and structural damage. At the top of the scale, EF5 tornadoes are capable of widespread total destruction with winds over 200 miles per hour.